In this video, I show you how to connect your Roger or Roger Big Air Purifier to your mobile phone. Hi, my name is Samuel and I'm from Stadler Form. It's very simple to connect your Roger or Roger Big to your mobile phone. Just follow the steps.
First of all, you need to download the Smart Life, Smart Living app from the app or the Google Playstore. Once you have done this, please open the app and create an account and log in. In the next step, please make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are activated on your smartphone. Then plug in your Roger or Roger Big and switch it on. Now check if the LED light above the Wi-Fi button blinks quickly. If not, you need to press the button for about 3 seconds. Now you just wait and the unit should appear automatically in the app. You might also need to press the plus button on the upper right. Once you see the unit appear, just click to add. Now you need to enter your Wi-Fi credentials and your unit will connect to the app. And as you can see, Roger or Roger Big is now connected and you have all the functionalities available. If for any reason the connection doesn't work for you, please make sure you update your operating system on your mobile phone to the newest version. If it still doesn't work, please restart your internet router. And if you still have issues, please visit the instruction website in the link in the description. There you will find a step-by-step guide as well as frequently asked questions. If still you have issues with the connection, please get in touch with us. We can surely help you.
Alright, that's it. Now your Roger or Roger Big are connected. If you still have questions, just write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you like to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel.